Samson Maombi featuring Phary Cowboy 045.
Nitauimba wimbo huu, wimbo ulio wa kusifu, roho nzito ya huzuni wewe. Taendelea kwa sifa iliyobeba siri kwamba kwa Yesu kuna uhuru. Nitazizima sauti zinazovuta watu kwa shimo la kukata tamaa. Kwa wimbo tamu wa furaha na kuja upesi kwa ajili yangu na wewe. Ni wimbo ambao umebeba ujumbe kwa pamoja katika usiku mkuu. Na wimbo huu waweza mtia matumaini mwanadamu anapoanguka. Ni wimbo mtamu waweza fungua minyororo kwa waliofungwa awali. Waweza kuona hakika kupitia wimbo njia yako ya kupitia. Nitauimba wimbo huu, wimbo ulio wa kusifu, roho nzito ya huzuni wewe. Taendelea kwa sifa iliyobeba siri kwamba kwa Yesu kuna uhuru. Nitazizima sauti zinazovuta watu kwa shimo la kukata tamaa. Kwa wimbo tamu wa furaha na kuja upesi kwa ajili yangu na wewe.
Don't tell me the world is a hopeless old place and I might as well just give in to the doom and gloom. Life's a waiting room for the glow that'll do us all in. I can sympathize when before my eyes is a hope shining bright as day. I gotta follow the song that keeps drawing me on with my feet dancing all the way. I'm gonna sing just as long as it takes for a song to make the silent spirits free. I'm gonna keep making music that carries the secret that Jesus is liberty. I'm gonna turn off the sound that attract people down to the pit of despondency. With the sweet opportunity is coming soon for his children like you and me.
I'm gonna sing just as long as it takes for us to make silent spirits free. I'm gonna keep making music that carries the secret of Jesus' liberty. I'm gonna turn off the sound that will drop people down to the people that's policy. With the sweet opportunity is coming soon for children like you and me. The sweet opportunity is coming soon for children like you and me.
Oh yes.
And he said unto them, Go ye into all the world and preach the gospel to every creature. Listen, learn, be inspired. Welcome to our channel to get the point. Get the point. Take a step forward. We are thrilled to bring our vibrant worship direct to you. Join us online for heartfelt worship, inspiring sermons, and enriching fellowship. Connect our community as we celebrate faith, love, unity, and grow together in spirit. Stay connected by following us on our social media accounts. Get the Point on YouTube, Get the Point on Facebook, and follow us on TikTok at Get the Point and Instagram Get the Point Media. Get the Point. Take a step forward.